So there's a magical year I want to talk about, and that's the year 2025. Now, under current tax laws, the laws are set to expire in 2025. All that means is Congress could come in and totally revamp them. We don't know that for sure, but they are going to expire, which, if it were me, I'm thinking there's a good possibility either then or down the road, taxes will have to go up to cover all of these deficits. Folks, there's trillions and trillions of dollars in these tax-infested 401ks and 403bs and IRAs. It hasn't been taxed yet. And with the swoop of a pen, they can raise those taxes. Those tax brackets can be raised very quickly. They've done it before. So we're maybe now sitting with this couple, and we basically can take charge and at least have some control, all right? We've got this year, 2023, next year, 2024, and the following year, 2025, when the laws expire. So they're probably not going to change them in 2025. They would probably implement new laws, let's say they do change them, in 2026. So we got 3 years to take control of some money and deal with this darn tax tumor. So what I did here, I just did a quick calculation, and I just imagined that we did a $50,000 taxable distribution for 3 years in a row at a 22% tax rate. That's the current taxes. And yeah, over that 3 years, it's a little ugly, a little painful. They're going to have to pay $33,000 in taxes, okay? But what if, this is a what if they raise the rates to 40% after 2025? Could they do that? Well, of course they could. What would that be? Well, the same $50,000, when they have to start taking out money in their minimum distribution years, well, if you take $150 at 40%, if my math's correct, that's $60,000 in taxes. Sounds like that's a whole lot more tax revenue that somebody's going to get. So here's the point, folks. I don't know what the tax rates are going to be, but I do know they're some of the lowest they've been in history. I know that you can take control of your finances if we work on a game plan and try to put something in place now rather than sitting around waiting for something good to happen. So here's my suggestion right now. Why don't you do this? Why don't you log on to TonyWalkerFinancial.com. You're going to click on that Let's Get Started button, and what I propose we do is arrange something we call the free 10-minute fiduciary phone call. And what happens during that phone call, you're going to talk to myself, the owner of the company, about your situation, and I'm going to quickly size up with my more than 38 years of experience whether we can help you. If we can, we're going to meet in person at either our Bowling Green, Louisville, or Lexington, Kentucky offices, either me or one of our highly trained fiduciaries, to see how we can put a game plan in place for you. So log on now, TonyWalkerFinancial.com, or call the number on your screen. Let's make something happen. There is absolutely no cost or obligation to discuss your personal situation.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.